In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use a Temu coupon bundle to save on your next shopping spree. Whether you're a seasoned online shopper or a newbie, these steps will make sure you get the best deals. So let's dive right in. First, start by heading over to the Temu website. If you're not familiar with it, Temu is a platform offering a range of products, often with enticing discounts and offers. The best way to take advantage of these discounts is by using coupon bundles. Once you're on the site, look towards the top right corner. You should see a sign in register option. Go ahead and click on that. If you already have an account, simply log in using your credentials. If not, you'll need to go through the quick registration process to set up an account. Having an account is crucial because it allows you to access your coupon bundles and other personalized offers. Now, after logging in, the key is to locate the coupon bundles. These are often prominently displayed on the homepage of the website or app, especially during sales events or promotional periods. Keep an eye out for these as they can be the ticket to significant savings. Next, you'll want to click on your account profile. This is usually represented by an icon that looks like a person, and it's typically found in the same upper right-hand area. Once you're in your account profile, find and click on Coupons and Offers. This section is where you can see all available coupon bundles that you can use. Remember, sometimes there might not be any coupons available, but don't worry. Just make it a habit to check regularly as new offers can pop up, especially during sales seasons or special promotions. It's a good idea to save or copy any coupon codes you're interested in using. From time to time, make sure any item you have your eye on is added to your cart. This way, you'll be ready to apply those coupons at checkout. As you prepare to make your purchase, click on Go to Cart near the top right corner. Once in your cart, double-check you've selected everything you need and click Checkout. Now, here's the final step where the magic happens. You can apply one coupon code per purchase, and this might also apply to shipping fees. Enter the coupon bundle code you saved earlier in the designated box and hit Apply. Watch the discount get subtracted from your order total, giving you more room in your budget or freeing up funds for additional treats. And that's it. By following these simple steps, you can maximize your savings with Temu's coupon bundles, ensuring you get the most value out of your online shopping experience. I hope you find this guide helpful, and happy shopping.